Let's run one more example. This time we will go with Universe Earth collection. So let me click on this collection, and here you can see that this is Universe Earth collection main menu bar, and after that you have authorization tab, pre-request script, and test variables and runs. Okay, so this is what. And on right side, okay, first let me select no auth. So this collection consists of a total 4 requests. So let me close this documentation first, and so let me click on this more actions icon, or else directly from this menu bar itself you can click or run collection. Okay, this is the main menu bar of this collection in Workbench. If you want to run it from here, you can just click on run. So we have order, and here you can see the iterations. Now let me click on run this collection. So endpoint 1, we face some issue. So what's the issue here? Endpoint 1. Let me check authorization. That's okay. We are receiving data. Endpoint 2. Auth. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So now let's click on this again one more time and click on run. So how many times I'll go with the run Universe Earth collection. So sending check Postman console for an error. Let's click on Postman console to see the error. Get. Okay, this is a random. Okay, then you can click on view summary, and here you can see the one iteration is been done. View all runs, and here you can see all runs that you have run so far. Do you have any scheduled runs? As of now, no scheduled runs. So that's how we run a collection, we view the collection, and we check the history that we have seen. So this is the history, collection run history, and we will also schedule. You see that scheduled runs tab. The scheduled runs tabs allow the scheduled runs for the current collection. So and normally it consists of when we click on that schedule. So at this moment there is nothing. So but you will find the upcoming schedule, upcoming run schedule time, the name of the scheduled run, the environment associated with the scheduled run. All that information will be provided if you have scheduled it anything. Anyway, that we are gonna do. And finally, we have one more option, the most important. That's a sharing collection. You can share the collection run results with others by exporting the results from the collection runner. So open the collection runner in the runner, collection run in the runner. You can also access the collection run by using the history in the sidebar if you don't have the right open. So select this and scroll down more. Here is that export results. So click on that. So with this you can click on export, and you can save this file wherever you want. So Universe Earth collection, Earth Postman collection. So it was successfully exported. Then the last option that we have here is automating the collection run. So that we're gonna look into that automating the collection runner in our next slide.